Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Mpho Candice. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys yet another opportunity to start making money online. But before that, if you're new to the channel or happen to be viewing this video for the first time, welcome and thank you for watching. I share content on how to make money online, and if this is the type of content you are looking for, then you're in the right place. Please do consider joining the family by hitting the subscribe button, not forgetting the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, YouTube can notify you. With that being said, let's just dive into today's video. Now, in today's video, we're going to be looking at this website right here called Your View. This is how their homepage looks like. So here it says, we pay incentive for answering online surveys. Give us your view, get paid. For number one, they've got rewards, and this is what they have to say about their rewards. Here it says you can choose your rewards from airtime, Woolworths voucher, cold hard cash, and you can start redeeming from as little as 30 points, or you can save up your points to earn more expensive rewards. And then for number two, it's about us. This is where you can read more about this company. Number three is surveys, and this is what they had to say about their surveys. So here it says you can complete our surveys on tablet or PC. And then for number four, we've got chat group. Here it says their chat group usually runs between 30 minutes to an hour. The discussion is between you and the moderator, but you also get to see interesting answers from other group members. It further says that chat group pay out more points than surveys, often allowing you to earn 2 times, 3 times, or even more points. And then for number five, here it says testimonials. It further says our community is incredibly active on Facebook. We encourage you to visit and like our Facebook page and read the comments and reviews that have been posted on our page. Number six is privacy policy. So you can simply come here and read more on their privacy policy. And then as we go down, this is what their fantastic community members had to say about this website. For you to get started, you simply come here to where it says sign up now. Click this green button here, and then you're going to be directed to a page like this one. So as you can see, this is where you start with creating an account. Firstly, you need to enter in your email address. So you're just going to enter in my email address right here. And then you need to enter in your password. Choose a password that you can easily remember. And then you repeat your password. And then you choose your gender, whether male or female, your date of birth, the year, month, and also day. And then here is the postal code. So if you don't know your postal code, you simply come to Google and type in your township, your suburb, or where you basically are. So I'm just going to auto copy that, my postal code, and then this is going to show. So this is my postal code. I'm going to enter it on the sign up process, and then I'm going to enter in my phone numbers and then agree to their terms and condition, and then click the pink button that says register. After this, they're going to send you an email to verify your account so that you can activate your account. So I'm going to log into my account so that I can get you guys started, and I can also show you guys how it looks like once you're inside. After logging in, you are then directed to a page like this one. As you can see here, there are currently no surveys available. This is the survey dashboard, and here is where you complete your profile. You need to complete your profile so that you can be allocated with the surveys that matches your profile. And then this is the rewards available on this website. They've got Vodacom recharge vouchers, Telkom, MTN, Cell C. They also have Woolworths vouchers, Take a Lot, Standard Bank cash vouchers, and also Pick and Pay vouchers. So the voucher starts from 29 points or 30 points. So one point equals to 1 rand. So 30 point equals to 30 rands. And then I'm also going to show you guys my transaction. I started this website somewhere around last year, and I have cashed out a couple of times. So here where it says panel payment, it is when I cash out the recharge vouchers. So I had a panel payment of minus 30 points and also panel payment of minus 30 points. And then as we go up, I also have some panel payments of 30 points, 30 points, 30 points, 29 points, 30 points. That's when I was withdrawing from this website. But I also want to show you guys the email. So I'm just going to say your view 2022 and just see what it gives me. So this is the payment proof from last year November. Here I cashed out 29 Rand Vodacom airtime, and then as we go down, there's two more. This is 30 Rands Telkom voucher, and then another 30 Rands Telkom recharge voucher or airtime, 30 Rands Telkom recharge voucher, and this one is also 30 Rand Telkom recharge voucher. But I want us to check for this year. With this website, I was making a lot of money last year, but this year has changed. Like, I haven't been making money this year. I think I only cashed out twice. So on the 15th of October, I cashed out 29 Rand recharge voucher for Vodacom. And then another cash out that I made this year was on Feb 28th of Feb. I cashed out 30 Rands Telkom airtime, and they also show you how you can load your airtime right there. So this is the first website for today. And for the second website, we've got this website right here called the Panel Station. This is how their homepage looks like. As you can see here, it says, making your opinion count has never been easier. We are here to help build a better brand experience with your opinion. The Panel Station is a diverse community with 6.3 million customers from over 35 fast-growing economy around the globe. They also have a YouTube channel where you can go there every Thursday and see what people had to say about this website. And then as we go to the bottom, this is how it works. You register your account. You register for your account, take surveys, and get rewarded. You can also share links with your friends and family so that you can get some extra points. So these are some of the cash out options, but PayPal is not available in South Africa. So they've got recharge vouchers that we're going to be looking at in the later stage. So this is what some people had to say about the Panel Station. You can simply come here and read more on that. And then for you to get started, you come to the top of the page to where it says register. Click here and then you're going to be prompted to a page like you're going to get prompted to a page like this one. As you can see, it says make a difference with your opinion. This is where you start with creating an account. You need to enter in your email address, your first name, your last name, your gender. Simply select the drop down and then you can select your gender, your date of birth, the city that you are in. So in South Africa, it's available in almost every city. And then you agree that you're not a robot, agree to their terms and condition, and also submit. You can also enter in your WhatsApp numbers if you want. It's optional, right? And then you click submit. They're going to send you an email to verify your account so that it can be active. But because I'm already a member of this website, I'm simply going to log into my account so that I can show you guys how it looks like once you're inside. After logging in, I am then directed to a page like this one. This is their dashboard. This is the panel profile where you need to complete your profile so that you can be allocated with service that matches your profile. This is the history. This is their blog where they put updates, and this is the help center. This is where you click to redeem your points, and this is the points that I have accumulated on this website. So for the payment proof, this is where you can see the payment proof. So from last year, I was able to redeem one, two, three recharge vouchers from Telkom. Each recharge voucher equals to 100 rand. So 4,000 equals to 100 rand. So this is 300 recharge vouchers of Telkom. And then for this year, I was able to redeem this recharge voucher and also two ShopRite gift vouchers. So one 10,000 gift voucher equals to 250, right? So 20,000 point equals to 500. I don't know if I'm making sense, but yeah. So this is the payment proof for this website. When they send you the gift voucher or the recharge voucher, they're going to send the voucher code on their website. So they're not going to send you an email with the voucher code. You need to come to their website and look at the voucher code on their website. So when they send you an email, your email will be something like this. So you need to go to the website and redeem, right? So this is the second website for today. And for the third website, so for the third website, we've got this website right here called Enlighten Panel. This is how their homepage looks like, and this is how it works. So here it says step 1, sign up and complete your profile. Step 2, earn points for taking part in surveys and communities. 1 point equals to 1 rand. Step 3 says exchange your points for gift vouchers, experiences, or donate to charity. Step 4 says rise, repeat, and reap the rewards. So this is how their homepage looks like. There's nothing much on their page. So for you to sign up, you simply come here to where it says sign me up. Click there, and then you're going to be prompted to a page like this one. So this is where you start with the sign up process. You click register here, and then it's going to direct you to a page like this one. Here it says, welcome to Enlighten Panel. By joining our panel, you can take part in surveys and community and collect points. Once you have accumulated enough points, you can redeem these 4 vouchers. So you simply need to enter in your email address, your password, confirm your password. But because I'm already a member, I'm simply going to log into my account. Please take note that when you create a password, your password must be at least 8 characters long. It must contain uppercase letters, lowercase letters, a number, and a special character. Make it short so that you can always remember it. So I'm just going to log into my profile so that I can show you guys how it looks like once you're inside. So after logging in, I am then directed to a page like this one. This is their homepage. Once you have logged in, this is how it looks like. So as you can see, I have 55 Enlighten points. Each point equals to 1 rand. So right now I've got about 55 rands on this website. This is where you can get new available surveys. This is the rewards tab. So we're going to go to the rewards tab. And for the redemption, you can redeem with Vodacom vouchers, Telkom vouchers, MTN vouchers, Takealot vouchers, ShopRite vouchers, Woolworths, Nedbank, KFC, and Celsi. You can also donate to charity. Their vouchers starts from 50 rands. So once you have accumulated 50 points, you can either choose to redeem with these vouchers. So this is the payment proof for Enlighten Panel. So as you can see on this date, it was 3 June 2023. I cashed out Telkom mobile voucher that is minus 50, and also on July I cashed out Telkom voucher. But for us to see this clearly, let's go to my emails. So this is how the voucher looks like when they send it to you. this is what it says. Your voucher type, Telkom Mobile. This is the voucher number. They also show you how to load the voucher on your phone, and the value of the voucher is 50 rands. Thank you guys for watching. I will leave all the links down on the description box so that you guys can get started with earning money online. Until the next video, bye.